Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make acar. These are the ingredients that we need. First of all, thank you for 200 subscribers. That's so nice of you guys. I hope you guys have been enjoying the recipe so far. Radish, cucumber, carrot, pineapple, vinegar, serai, kunyit, small onion, dry chili, sugar, kacang, and Asam Jawa. This is how we chop our vegetables. It's a really tiring process, so I'm just going to sit back and relax while my very skilled assistant Yo-Yo helps me.
One eternity later.
Thank you for your hard work. Next, you must roast the peanut over a fire until it looks like this. Let's blend those peanuts to get a fine texture. Speaking of peanuts, did you hear that joke about the peanut butter well? I'm not telling you because you might spread it. Here I'm adding rice vinegar to soak the cucumber and radish to make it crispy and crunchy. Now for the sambal, it's similar to my sambal happy sambal. If you haven't checked that video out, I'll put a link to that video. Basically, you want to blend boiled chilies, belacan, lemongrass, and kunyit together. The exact measurements are in the description box below. Mix the sambal with blended shallots. Here we are frying the sambal in oil. Add in the chopped carrots. Now add in diluted Asam Jawa water. Now for the that's a lot of vegetable well. This will last my family a long time. They are hungry people. Pineapples. Remember the song the kids used to sing about pineapples?
P-P-A-P pineapple apple pear.
Oh God, now it's stuck in my head. Okay, so now let's balance that sourness with some sugar. I'm adding about a bowl of sugar. Depends on the amount you are making, can agak-agak sedikit. Now add your bowl of roasted peanut. Please don't add this if you are allergic to nuts though. Just a warning, yeah, but it will still taste as delicious. Wow, look at that, just the right amount of sourness, spiciness, and sweetness. Your acar is ready to serve. You can eat it with rice. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell.
Okay, go.
ว่าขอรู้เอาเล่ไป
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all ว่าขอรู้เอาเล่ไป